Hey, man, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. I just wanted to show you something real quick. So let's go over this real quick. So you said that you were trying to change the name of your funnel here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I've done this once already. I just wanted to show you and show you what I got on our end here. So if you're doing this, you're doing it correctly. All right, so I'm going to update the name of my funnel here. And I'm going to go here. All right, so I can see that it changed there, and then I'm going to go ahead and back out, go into my funnels, and I see that the name changed there. Okay, so if you could go ahead and go to useloom.com, and I'll send you a link. That way you can just walk me through what you're doing, just like I'm doing here. And then you can, that way I have a clear understanding of what issue you're having, okay? All right, thanks.